Okay, so previously we showed you the cylinder was in a bad way. The electrofusion had flaked off. Piston and rings were running on some electrofusion and some aluminum. So we sent it off for Nickesil. Now Nickesil is a way better product. Performance cars like Porsche and whatever use Nickesil. The other benefit, this cylinder is now better than new, because the other benefit of Nickesil is once they've applied it, they then grind it down to the piston that you're going to be putting in. So the clearance is perfect. With mass production, stuff that you get from the manufacturer, they have a little more clearance and tolerance for warranty reasons. So they don't want to run it tight in case the bike seizes. But this way we know it's a fantastic job. It's really hard, and the piston it's got a really nice clearance. So what we have to do now is put the power valve back in, get the thing on the bike.